Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. These episodes over the next couple of weeks, I'm homesteading down in Mexico. Today I gotta hang up some LED tubes above the storefront here. This is my mother-in-law's store, so this one's kind of important. And of course down here I never have the materials or the tools I need to do it right, so yeah, this should be fun. Remember, the airplane came from a loaf of bread. What does that mean? Necessity is the mother of all inventions. Awesome, we're already off to a bad start. But I'm told this one works, so. Ella sabe mejor que mí. Alright, this is kind of what I'm thinking here. I just run some bolts through this and do the same thing on the other end. I'll show you in a second. Now let's see if we can get this part figured out. Because as you can see, that's not quite gonna work. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna have to pound one of these straight, kinda. Yeah, we'll figure it out as we go on. Yeah, it kind of looks like that'll work. Now let me go and get the bolts in it and get it ready to hang up. Yeah, I still got to do that 3 more times because I'm putting up 2 lights. Alright, let me get to work. Yeah, that's more or less what that looks like done. Yeah, that on both ends. Now it's time to hang it up, and let's see what that looks like hanging up. I found a couple of these in on each side, roughly where that light's gonna meet up. Yeah, I got one here. I'm really sorry about this. I'm working without my tripod. Yeah, here's the light socket that I just took out of there. Yeah, I can see why they were constantly losing light bulbs. Yeah, I got a couple of random wires that I found out in the shed out back. I think I'm just gonna connect these to these and connect that LED lighting connector to the other end of these. Yeah, let's see how this works out. Yeah, there we go. That much is done. Alright, now assuming this is hooked up right, the light should turn on when I connect this. Let's find out. Yeah, I know, that's because I'm working on this. Tocas eso para prender aquí afuera. Yeah, okay, we got it. All right, now I cut up a couple more pieces of this. Bare wire. It's made to hang stuff, made to tie stuff together, so perfect for this when I don't actually have the stuff I need to do it. And I put them a little bit too close together. That's all right though. I'll be able to fix it. But yeah, you can kind of see what I'm doing up here. All right, let me shut up and get back to work. I know. Looks like just about done with all this up there. Now, but the only thing left is to Victory! There, okay, I'm done. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Actually, there's that smiley face with some busted teeth down over here. Click on that. That's kind of works like a subscribe button. Like the video, hit that thumbs up for me. I appreciate that. You got any suggestions? Anything you want to see in some future videos? Once again, I'm down in Mexico. I couldn't bring my tripod. I apologize. Oh yeah, hey, go get the shirt. You're gonna love this. Look at that. Finally, an Average Mike t-shirt. This could be yours on the Shopify. You click on that link in the description and you get your very own Average Mike t-shirt. It's for a good cause. Well, watch the promo video. There's a guy missing a leg. We're working up some money to buy him a brand new ATV down here. So help us out with that.
It's free.
Another job done.